A very good day to you people. My name is Mohit, and guys, today I'm going to review TP-Link's USB Bluetooth adapter for PC version 4.0 Bluetooth dongle, which supports Windows 11, 10, 8.1, 8.7 for desktop, laptop, mouse, keyboard, printers, headset, speakers, PS4, Xbox controllers, etc. And the model number is UB400. You get another one around 150 cheaper. That's model number UB500, but that is a lot faster. That's twice as fast, has 4 times as range area, that is, and transmits 8 times more data in the same time. That's version 5.0. That's the difference. This is around $150 cheaper. This one is backward compatible with version 3, 2.1 to 1.1. For Windows 8, 8.1 and Windows 10, even 11, it's driver free. If you need driver for older operating systems, there's a booklet that allows you to do it and also tells you how to pair a device. Now this TP-Link's adapter is nano-sized, ultra small, convenient, portable with reliable high performance. The supported operating systems are once again 11, 10, 8.1, 8.7. And if you need help, you can call customer support for installation related queries, compatibility issues, or any other general queries. The number to call is toll free 1-800-2094-168, or you can write to them at support.in@tp-link.com. I wanted to pair my Bowstone 1000 with this one. It was really done within seconds. I just ripped it out of the packet, inserted the USB nano-sized adapter, which is hardly 30 grams or so, into the USB port, and I could see the icon, the Bluetooth icon, in no time.